We're having an unboxing party. We have an audience.
Hello.
Why am I a little shy right now? Oh my god. Hey, Izzy's here because Allison and Kayla already opened theirs. This is the 2022 Seasons Greetings set. So calendar and then the DVD.
It's like a QR code and gets into your phone and you can open it on your phone.
QR code?
Wait, what?
Yeah, you get a little card.
What? Okay.
What are we opening first?
Or is that the calendar? No, this is the calendar.
The posters are small.
Are they?
Mm.
I'm so excited.
I actually haven't opened my calendar yet.
Ooh.
Wow.
So apparently this was photographed in FF, like the nightclub. Yeah, apparently it was photographed in the nightclub. Anywho,
I've never been to that club. So.
I've never been there either, but like,
Never been there.
wow.
Wow. You look so good.
Happy New Year to this sexy
Happy
thing.
birthday to me.
I know, right?
Wow. Actually, yeah, I want to see September. Like,
I'll look at July.
Okay, you look at July. I'm looking at September.
Someone show me December next.
Oh, September, we got a nice little subunit. Oh my god.
Don't break it.
For July.
Yeah!
June.
We got June, Jin, and JK. JK.
Okay,
Also, my friend sent me a photo of him, like, in this outfit, and his face is so cute, but he looks like he's gonna...
I mean, I saw that earlier when I was
Yeah.
here. I was like, okay.
December! You got a whole OT7!
Yeah.
Oh my god, these are so good.
That's what I like.
This is so good.
I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. But don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger.
Wait, this is cute. Allison's gonna fight us behind.
No one can see how
Allison went behind.
I took out my earrings. Like
We're just clowning Allison. Okay, I don't understand what is happening. There's so many things here.
posters.
Oh, these are the posters? Cute. Is it this that I'm supposed to be looking for?
Yes. That's the CD of their making the videos and greetings.
This one?
Yes.
And you're supposed to QR?
QR code it, you take a picture of it, and it sends you to the Weverse app and it opens up.
Oh,
And
okay.
then an hour and 9 minutes long.
An hour and 9
What?
minutes.
Yeah, boy,
heck?
I'm about to have a whole movie showing.
I like that because, you know, I can't play any of the CDs.
Can we like appreciate?
I love that. Ah! Ha, ha. Oh my god. Oh, hello.
Wait, you're gonna back to those?
Yeah! Oh my god. Hello.
Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure.
Never talk about it.
Ooh.
Wow!
Wait, is that the magnet?
Yeah, it's a magnet. I got me.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! I got you!
God is good.
Shut up! When he flew out of there, he flew out.
He's out here.
He said, bitch, okay, the way that we all, like, basically got our, we all got our biases.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ooh, look, a cute little, like, post-it
I
thing.
know, it's cute.
Little notepad thing.
I can use it for work.
Is this
That's your
the...
journal.
Hell
Ooh,
yeah.
we get a journal?
Are these tattoos?
They designed it.
Can I put a full sleeve on my...
It's literally gonna be patchwork. Look at this.
I'm going to get this.
I want that one. I'm gonna do this one.
Yeah. This one. I'm getting this
Not the
one.
flame.
The flames. Okay, what else? What else?
Oh, there's a mini calendar too.
Yeah.
I didn't know it came with all this.
There's so much stuff. What was it, like 60?
Yeah.
That's not
That's
bad.
pretty good. for all
Hey,
of this.
here are all the PCs. There we go. Ooh, ooh. Oh, a beret moment. Ashley's gonna love that.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy. These are so good. This concept, they really,
It was great.
they
Yeah.
really did that. What are you opening next? Oh, the calendar.
The calendar.
The small calendar. So this is like the desk one. Guys, I'm still on that high from getting uni.
I know, I'm so excited.
I'm gonna open the journal.
I'm gonna come to school. This is my show and tell. And don't touch
Izzy,
it.
it's a planner.
I just got a planner. Okay, obviously I have to use this one.
It's all of it in one. You can journal in the back.
That's so good. So basically I had to get rid of my planner.
I bought a planner too though. I should have known that this one came with it. Yeah, you can journal in the back for sure. You got some stickers. I still have mine from last time.
I didn't even use it.
I used it for YouTube. I barely looked at it. You know my plan. I'll write stuff down and not look at it. Like that's literally me.
Have you mentioned your MBTI?
My MBTI is ENTPA. The P being 82% not planning. I literally don't plan.
None of us planned up here.
Posters! Look at that. Why am I always opening up to Tay? I'm sick. Allison.
Stop. You know what I want though?
Stop.
I wanted the wanted posters.
The alley cat.
Yes,
I
from
wanted
Butter?
the wanted poster, yeah.
Those would have been good.
When he looks like this, and then like this, and then like that.
I need help.
I'll do close-ups of all the posters later. I'm just enjoying opening this right now.
I feel like
wow,
it's Christmas already.
I know.
They really said Merry Christmas.
I'm surprised that this came really fast though.
They did really good.
Because last
It
year,
came fast last time, didn't it?
it did, but I feel like it was also,
I remember getting it for my birthday.
I feel like it was after the new year had already started though.
Literally like a year ago.
Hell yeah, September! Yeah, boy! Hell yeah.
I really love this concept.
I know, me too.
It's so good.
Okay, Veman October.
I screamed.
Allison, always get in the OT7.
Let me see. What is mine?
July.
Ah.
All right, I'm again. Hell yeah. Look at the, I'm like, sir, what are you trying? Literally why I lose my voice because I don't stop screaming.
You just got your voice back.
I literally did. I've been taking medicine and now I'm screaming
I
again.
told you.
Put it all back in the box. Paint
Where in
up
my room is
inside.
gonna fit.
Definitely save it for the new apartment. It's fresh.
Yeah, this is like a nice. It cannot be ruined
Yeah.
by my terrible moldy apartment. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm gonna use this one instead of mine. This is a better planner than the one.
It's bigger.
Yeah,
right?
it's bigger. It's
don't
better
know
than
what
the
the hell
one from
we're learning
Artbox.
So good. So if you guys want to visit the filming location, it's a nightclub. So I think you got it.
Seoul.
It's in Seoul.
This place called Hongdae.
This place got Hongdae. I've never been there
Never
ever in
been
my
there,
life.
yeah.
You should probably be of age to go there.
Yeah.
High drinking tolerance.
Sorry, what?
High drinking tolerance.
What's that? What's
Oh.
drinking?
Oh.
I've never done that
I've
before.
never
in my
drank.
life. Why are you laughing?
I don't drink.
I don't drink.
I don't partake.
I don't partake in any of that
Yeah.
behavior.
I
literally don't know what you're talking
Pure.
about.
I don't appreciate that tone.
I don't appreciate that.
I don't appreciate your tone.
It's a little offensive there. Here are passport photos, everybody, but they're still cute.
Me submitting it for my next passport.
Here, me sticking it onto my
They're
ARC.
like, ma'am, you don't look like this. Yeah, the I do. Anyways, I don't even know if I can use any of this because we've just been screaming for 15 minutes straight. But, yeah, see you guys in the next video.